If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To add an image from your computer to a PDF in Acrobat, open the PDF to which to add the image. Then either click the Edit a PDF link in the All Tools panel, or click the Edit link in the top bar to show the Edit panel at the left side of the screen. Then click the Image button in the Edit panel and select the Choose Image command from the drop-down that appears to launch an open dialog box. In this dialog box, navigate to the image to add, click it to select it, and then click the Open button. Alternatively, to add an AI-generated image to a PDF in Acrobat using Adobe Express, click the Image button in the Edit panel, and then select the Generate Image command from the drop-down menu that appears to open an image generator window. Type a text prompt of what the image should contain into the Describe what you'd like to see text prompt field. Then select an image size from the Image Size drop-down. To select a content type, select a choice from the Content Type drop-down. To apply a style, click a style category and specific style in the Styles section. Then click the Generate button to generate 4 potential images in the area to the right. If this is the first time using generative AI in Adobe Apps, you'll need to click Agree in the user agreement that appears to continue. To insert a generated image, click it to select it, and then click the Apply button in the upper right corner of the window. Alternatively, to generate 4 more images, change any settings and click the Refresh button. After selecting or creating an image using either method, a thumbnail of the selected image then appears attached to the mouse cursor when you hover it over the PDF. Position the upper left corner of the thumbnail image at the desired location in the PDF page at which to insert the image, and then click to add the image to the PDF. To select an image in Acrobat, click it to select it. When selected, a small pop-up menu of common image-related commands appears by the selected image, and additional image editing options appear in the Adjust Objects section at the top of the Edit panel as usual. To move the image in Acrobat, click and drag the image to a new location, and then release the mouse button. To resize an image in Acrobat, click it to select it, hover the mouse pointer icon over the resizing handle on its bounding box, which corresponds to the direction in which to resize the image, until the mouse pointer icon turns into a double-pointed, straight arrow bisected by a small line, and then click and drag to change its size. Then release the mouse button when the image is the desired size. To edit an image in Acrobat, click the image to edit within the PDF. You can tell when an image is selected because it appears surrounded by a blue bounding box. Then click the desired image editing tool in the Adjust Objects section of the Edit panel. To flip the selected image vertically or horizontally in Acrobat, click the Flip Vertical or Flip Horizontal button, respectively. To rotate the selected image 90 degrees counterclockwise or clockwise each time you click the associated button in Acrobat, click the Rotate Left or Rotate Right button, respectively. To crop a selected image in Acrobat, click the Crop button. Your mouse pointer then turns into a crop tool, and you can grab and drag the crop handles located in place of the resizing handles on the sides and corners of the bounding box to remove unwanted areas of the photo. When satisfied with the new image, click outside the image to apply the crop. To replace a selected image with another image in Acrobat, click the Replace Image button in the Edit panel. To choose a replacement image from your computer, then select the Choose Image command from the button's drop-down menu. Alternatively, to replace the image with an AI-generated image, select the Generate Image command from the button's drop-down menu. This then either launches the Open dialog box or the AI Image Generator window, respectively, which you then use the same way as when initially inserting the image, which we already covered earlier in this lesson. Acrobat then replaces the original image with the new image and resizes the new image to fit the selected image area. To align a selected image with other objects within the PDF, click to select the image to align. Then hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click to select the other element or elements to align with the image. The selected elements appear surrounded by a blue bounding box, which represents the area within which the object alignment occurs. After selecting all the elements to align, click the Align Objects drop-down in the Adjust Objects section of the Edit panel. Then choose one of the 6 alignment options from the drop-down menu. Acrobat aligns the PDF elements to reflect your choice. To change the order in which objects overlap each other in a PDF in Acrobat, select an object in the stack of objects like an image. Then click the Arrange Objects drop-down in the Adjust Objects section of the Edit panel. Then select the desired arrangement command from the drop-down menu that appears. Bring to front, send to back, bring forward, or send backward. Selecting Bring to Front brings the selected object to the front of the stack of overlapping objects. All other objects in the stack appear behind it. Selecting Send to Back sends the object to the back of the stack. All other objects in the stack appear in front of it. Selecting Bring Forward brings the selected object forward one level in the stack. Selecting Send Backward sends the selected object one level backward in the stack. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.